Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my April favorites. I'm going to start off with this lip gloss. I actually have it on today on top of the Nude Sticks and Whisper that I mentioned on part 1 of my favorites. And this combo together is just the perfect nude lip. I love this gloss. It's the ColourPop Kathleen Lights collab and it's called Moonchild, and it is just like the perfect nude gloss. It's pretty opaque, so it's not sheer. You could totally wear it by itself and it just feels like so creamy on the lips. It's not sticky at all. If you don't already have this, I would definitely recommend picking this one up. So next up is this Lavish Lash. It is the eyelash and brow serum, and I use this every night and I just take it. It has like a little wand with a little applicator at the end, and I just trace it along the tops of my eyelashes, and I just feel like since I've been using it that my eyelashes are falling out less and my lashes just feel stronger, and I definitely think it's been working. I ordered this off Amazon. I think it was only like between $20 and $25, and it's really, really good. I'll link it below. So next up are these Nike Air Maxes. I think they are like the LW something or other, and I forget what the exact color is, but I will find it and link it below. These are the most comfortable pair of Nikes I've ever tried. Normally I'm more of like an Asics girl. I just feel like they give more support to my arch. Nikes sometimes I feel like they're not as comfortable, they're not as supportive as some other sneakers, but these ones are awesome. And I just love that they're like so bendy. I feel like a lot of other Nikes, they don't have as much bend as these ones do. I actually got these ones on sale, and I think that I picked them up from Famous Footwear or Finish Line. I'm not sure which one. They have a ton of other colors. But yeah, I will go ahead and link these ones below so that you can find them with the right color too. So my next favorite is this Miss Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. This one is in the scent Peony, and oh my god, this scent is amazing. I have the honeysuckle one, and I think that I tried the Mums one. The Mums one is pretty good too, but in my opinion, this Peony is the best out of their whole line. It smells exactly like fresh flowers. It is just amazing. I feel like I could be in a bad mood or not want to clean, and as soon as I spray this, my mood is just uplifted. Not to mention the compliments I get when people like walk into my house. They're like, oh my god, what is that smell? It makes your whole house smell so good. If you haven't tried this yet, definitely pick it up. So next up, I have 3 pairs of sunglasses to mention. These ones I picked up from Nordstrom. They are by the brand Lace Spec, and I think that they are the like Earhart model, but they're kind of like a cat eye, and they're solid black. And I have like a pretty narrow face, so if you have a more narrow face, they definitely fit really good. They are on the larger side, which I do really like because I feel like more of my face is being protected from the sun, but this is how they look on. I like that they're completely opaque, like stark black, and you can't see through them, and they're just so comfortable. And then they have like this little gold detail on top, and I just really like them. Not to mention they were pretty affordable. I think they were like only 60 or 70 bucks, and they're pretty solid. I would definitely check out the brand. I think it's called Lace Specs or Lace Spec. And it comes with this really cool case. You could like pop them in the front part here, or if you squeeze these 2 tabs right here, oop, it opens and you can just slide the glasses right in there. So next up, I have 2 pairs of sunglasses that I got off of Amazon by the brand GAMT, and both pairs came in this little case. Pretty solid, and then it just has like the little cloth to clean the lenses. And I first got them in this black color. Here, let me show you. I think they were only like $14 or $15, and they feel very solid. And I just thought that they were like really cool with the detail, and they're very like, they feel sturdy, but they're actually very lightweight. so you don't feel like, oh, I have this heavy pair of sunglasses on. And I definitely really, really like them. They're just super comfortable. And for me, I always like a pair of sunglasses that give my eyelashes room. I can't stand when I close my eyes and I can feel my eyelashes like scraping on the lens. So both this pair and the other lace spec pair, they both kind of give room. So after I got these ones, I ended up picking up the like pink rose kind of lenses, and they're exactly the same, and it just has like a mirrored pink, and again, they're super comfortable. It just gives it a little something different than just like a regular black. And again, I got both of these on Amazon, and I will link them below. So I have two more to mention here today, and I have this Shay Sugar Scrub. It is by the brand Tree Hut. They have a ton of other scents. I've tried the Lime Coconut, which I really like. It's the green one. It smells awesome. This one is the Moroccan Rose scent, and it is very powerful. The thing that I like most about it is when you do put it on and you're in the shower, it is very strong. But once you're out of the shower and even the next morning, if you just like smell your skin, you can smell like a very hint of rose, and it's not too overpowering. But what I love most about this is that it kind of like sloughs off all the dead skin cells, and then it moisturizes your skin. This brand is just my favorite sugar scrub. Not to mention it's super affordable. You can pick it up at Ulta or like Harmon's Face Values, Amazon, Target, Walmart. And the last thing I have to mention here today is a candle from Bath & Body Works. It is in the scent Magic in the Air, and it comes in a little jar like this with this amazing like sparkly top. The fragrance notes are almond flower, white iris, and whipped vanilla bourbon. It just smells so good to me. I was just immediately drawn to it. And I think right now Bath & Body Works has their candles on sale for like $12 and change, because I just picked up a few. So that is everything for my April favorites. I will go ahead and link everything down below. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.